Pretty way to end what started off as not a very nice day out there. We got another ½ inch of rain, just about that, at least for TF Green. A little bit higher than that towards our northern zones, a little bit less than that down towards the coastline. It was only 64. Hey, listen, 64 is actually really nice considering that the majority of the day we were in the 50s. The only reason we got to 64 is because, just like you saw there at the sunset video, we had some clearing skies towards the early evening, and that bumped those temperatures up about 5 degrees quickly before the sunset. Our average is 73. We will be right on the money with that tomorrow, I think. 54 the low, so that falls in line with our average. But again, with the clouds and the chilly air today, north wind attributing to that, but it will be a north wind tomorrow. It was really the clouds and the rain today that kept things so cool. There are your records, always fun to look at, right? 94 back in 1929, and then in 1970, it was a very cold 37 degrees. So again, about ½ an inch of rain. That puts us now in a position that will not change. The fourth wettest May of all time. We'll not see any rain tomorrow. And so that will not change. And something that will change, and we hope for the better, is this rainfall surplus that we have. 35 inches now for the year, and that puts us back on track for the wettest year ever. Just for some perspective, our average or typical year, we would see around 47 inches of rain. So we're only 12 inches away from that. We're 1 foot away from rain for the entire year, and it is still May. That is just wild statistic there, but that has been the way it has been so far in 2024. Not going to see a lot of rain in the upcoming week. There it goes, a little light rain left over out at sea right now as that low pulls away. So you've got two different pressure systems, both bringing down that northern wind. So it is keeping things again on the cooler side, but with the high coming in, the strong sun angle, and a warmer air mass, it will be very nice tomorrow. Again, not a lot of rain expected the next several days. There's about maybe a 10-15% chance Sunday night into early Monday morning we could get a couple of sprinkles, and I'll show you why. So goodbye and hello. We love to see that order as opposed to flipped around here. High pressure just large and in charge here over the eastern seaboard. Nice day tomorrow. A couple of clouds will mix in. There'll be a couple of sprinkles. Looks like coastal Maine, maybe up towards Boston, but I don't think it's a big issue for us here in southern New England. High pressure continuing to dominate the weather over the weekend pattern. A little bit more of a west component will bring us up to around 80 on Saturday. And we would have had another shot of 80, at least inland on Sunday, be more southwest wind, so there'll be a bit of a sea breeze developing in the afternoon. But also we're looking at more high clouds here streaming in from this next weather system. I think this is the extent of where the rain gets. I think it probably maybe dives a little bit further south and west here, maybe places like New York City and Long Island as we head into Sunday night. But really the high pressure is sort of eating away and eroding this storm system. But that is the one chance that we have really here over the next week. Outside of that, might have to wait till the next storm, which probably comes at some point late in the work week next week. And yeah, only about a 1/10 of an inch expected across the area through that time frame. So that'll dip us back down off of that record wet pace, which is nice. Cool out there tonight, 49 degrees even here in the city by tomorrow morning with those mostly clear skies. Beautiful sunny day. Temperatures across the board here, 70 to 75. It's a stellar A+ day. Nice beach and boat day as well. Just keep in mind the water is still very cold and the UV index is still very high. So put that sunscreen on. Beautiful weekend. Again, a little bit more cloud cover late in the day Sunday, but with that disturbance sort of weakening and dying out, we'll go back to the nice weather Monday through the midweek. Temperatures seasonably warm the entire time. And then again, we'll watch for that next storm system. Could get here maybe as early as Thursday p.m.